This is Fort Worden. If you've ever watched the movie Officer and a Gentleman, this is where it was filmed. I'll do more as I walk through it. It's all wide open. You can walk through all of the embankments and all of the gun sites and all of the gun mounts upstairs. We'll do that. And it's pretty dark here, so I can't do much in here. But I'll tell you what, when the military pours concrete, they pour a lot of it. Okay, now this is a gun emplacement right here with a pop-up gun.
Yeah, that would be the circular.
And they'd load it and pop up, fire it, and it'd pop back down. That particular contract. And so this is where the guns would watch for the incoming ships and shoot them before they get here. And I would think that this is the sighting and aiming headquarters where they see the ships coming in and tell them where to shoot, so to speak. And over here, my goodness, what do we have over here? This is Fort Worden State Park up in Port Townsend. This is one of three, I think it is, big forts. This is another gun emplacement down here. They called it the Triangle of Fire, the three forts. Just in case we're being invaded. This is back in the early 1900s.